Thank you for coming back. Today, I'll show you how I created this Wolverine helmet that I got off of Yosh Studios. Stay tuned. I picked up this Wolverine helmet from Yosh Studios' Patreon page. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to pick it up. They have a few other X-Men 97 items that you can take a look at and procure. I started off working on the middle piece of the helmet. I added the piece to my Bamboo Lab Studios and added it to the center of the build plate. I started adding supports once all my settings were added into the helmet. I usually only add supports to the outside rim of my helmet because there's no need to add supports to the middle because of how everything gets printed out. It took about 13 hours to print this piece, but once it was completed, it looked like this. Next, I had to print the face mask in black filament. I added the mask to the build plate and added supports, as you can see here. Once everything was done, I sent it to the printer. It took about 5.5 hours to complete this print job. This is what it looks like when it was done. The back of the mask were the final pieces to print for this Wolverine helmet. So I grabbed those and threw them into Bamboo Slicer to begin the printing process. This only took a few hours to complete. Next, I began applying magnets to the piece. I applied 12 magnets to the top piece and 12 magnets to the mask. Make sure to mark your magnets. I usually add permanent marker to the back of the set I'm currently working with. This will prevent you from incorrectly adding magnets. Connecting the back of the mask was the next task. I sanded both sides down to allow the pieces to be able to sit flushed against each other. I then used 3D glue to connect the two pieces. Once glued, it looks like this. Thanks for watching. If you want more, please like, comment, and subscribe.